This is one I did for the digital marketing space. Digital Marketers Australia was doing a conference, a seminar. This is a much more recent example, so much more sophisticated in application. We can do charts now, dynamically generated charts. So therefore, you're no longer giving people a PDF, you're giving them a specific outcome about who they are and where they stand. So in this one here, what we've done was had a bunch of questions that graphed you on the 6 capabilities of digital marketing, which was traffic, lead gen, sales, conversion, analytics, systems and automation, and operations. And what happened was, so there you go, that's my chart. I shouldn't be up here based on that. And what would happen is it dynamically generated the speakers you should go and pay attention to at the event. So now we're personalizing the speakers to the chart that you generated for yourself, which means you own your outcome, you own the problem. And then you'd resonate. So the event selling all of a sudden turned from, hey, come to networking, get educated, to come and solve your problems, and they sold out quite early, actually.